Good morning, friend. Chapter number 12 already we have started. In first two lecture we have seen the whole identity related with the power. So a the power, again I am explaining all the a the power m, a the power n, we have to do addition. A the power m upon a the power n we have to do subtraction, divisible. Power of power we have to do multiplication. And power is same, then we can also open the bracket. So a the power m into b the power m. So 6 different properties we are using. Now we want to solve the sums, that is already we have completed 6 sum. But again I am explaining from the 6 sum because it is important. So I am explaining again. So first of all we have to explain the 6 sum. So how what we get answer? So 1 upon 3 power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 power minus. So first of all, when negative power is there, we have to reciprocal the numerator into denominator. So 3 આવી જશે. 3 upon 1. Here 4 upon 1. Again 1 upon 3 we have to reciprocal. 3 upon 1 power is positive. Again here negative power is positive. So 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. This sum, second sum, that is first sum. Now second sum. 5 the power 8 upon minus 7 into 8 upon 5 the power minus 4. Again say my negative power is there, we have to change. 8 upon 5. 7. Here 5 upon 8. 4. Now we have to open the bracket. That is 8 the power 7. 5 the power 7. 5 the power 4, 8 the power 4. Now we have to compare same base. Now divisible, indivisible we have to do subtraction. So 8, 7 minus 4. Here 1 upon, or we have to write 5, 4 minus 7. So 8 the power 3 into 5 the power minus 3. So when negative power is there, I have to shift it. So 8 the power 3, that is 5, 1, 2, 3. 5 the power negative, so 125. So that is our answer. So already this chapter is included in your first term exam. Now we go for question number 7, that is first term we are trying. 25, I am writing it here, 25 into t the power minus 4 upon 5 the power minus 3 into 10 into t the power minus 8. What is my first target? We have to equal, so here 25, so I have to write 5 the power 2, prime factor we have to make. T the power minus 4, t negative છે એ ઉપર આવશે તો t the power plus 8. Now here 5 the power minus 3, 10 means 2 the power 1 and 5 the power 1. Now what we have to do? First of all we have to complete this t, or we can take the digit. So 5 the power 2 multiply. It should be 5 the power minus 3. It should be now plus 3. Shift થઈ જાય from denominator to numerator. Again this minus 1. Again this minus 1. And in multiplication power of addition. So 8 minus 4. 40. Now 5 the power 2, 5 the power 3, that is 2 plus 3 n 5 the power 1, that is negative, minus 1 to the power minus 1 n t the power 4. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 5 the power 4 into 1 to the power minus 1 is into to the power 4. So question is simplify. So 5 the power 4, that is 625 upon 2 as it is, we cannot change 2. So 2 and t the power 4. Again I explained 25 multiplied by t the power minus 4 divided by 5 the power minus 3 into 10, that is 2 into 5. So I have to write 2 into 5. T the power minus 8 and ऊपर ले जाए for t the power plus 8. Here t the power minus 4, 5 the power 2. Now first of all I have to નીચે જે બધા છે ને ઉપર શિફ્ટ કરી એટલે સાઇન ચેન્જ. So minus 3 હોય તો plus to the power 1 minus 1, 5 the power 1, 5 the power minus. Now 2 plus 3, that is 5, minus 1, 5 minus 1, that is 4, to the power minus 1 as it is. When negative power is there, we have to again put in a denominator and then simplify. You will get 625 upon 2 to the power 4. Now in 7th, again second sum, that is t the power 3 the power minus 5 into 10. What is meaning of 10? That is 2 into 5 and minus 5. 125 means 5 the power 3 upon 5 the power minus 7. 6 means 2 the power 3. Or one more things, two way we can, I have to write as it is. Now if you will see that 3 the power minus 5, if I open the bracket, to the power minus 5 and 5 the power minus multiply by 5 the power 3 upon 5 the power minus 7 into 6 the power minus 5. Now what you will see that 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30 because all power are same. But what I am planning 3 the power minus 5, so 6 the power minus 5. 3 into 2, that is 6. Now 5 the power minus 5, 5 the power 3, that is 5 minus 5 plus 3. Here 6 the power minus 5 multiply 5 the power 7. So here it is cancel or 0. So 5 the power minus 2 upon 5 the power 7. So we have to come downward, 5 the power 2 into 5 the power 7. So 1 upon 5 the power 9. So you have to open the bracket, you will get 1 upon 5 the power 9. Another way. Now second way. So 3 the power 5, again I am writing 2 the power minus 5, 5 the power minus 5 and 5 the power 3. Here 5 the power minus 7, here 2 the power minus 5 and 3 the power minus 5. Same way we can also do. Now we will see that this is easily cancelled because it is same. Here it is also same. What is remaining again? What is remaining then? Here again 5 the power minus 2 upon 5 the power 7. So 1 upon 5 the power 9. You have to simplify. So you have to multiply 5 9 times. You will get some answer. So 12.1 we have completed. Now we go on the second topic, that is standard form, or in mathematics when more zeros are there, what we have to do. That is the use of exponent to express small number in standard form. Use of exponent use क्या करशो? Use of exponent to express small number in standard form. So distance from the sun to the earth is આટલું મોટું છે. How I have to describe? So point is at here. Now I want to shift the point at here. So when I go for left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So I have to write 1.4 into 10 the power 11 meter. When we go for left and right, positive, always remember. So it is very difficult to describe like that, but it is easy to describe like that. So it is the use of exponent to express small number in standard form. So it is a standard form. Again same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have to write 3.0 in the 10 the power 8 meter per second, speed of light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The thickness of the class 7th mathematics book is 20 mm. So it is easy. But now here, now question number 4, concentrate. When I am shifting the decimal point, when we are shifting the decimal point from right to left, here always power is negative. Always. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 7.0 in the multiply 10 the power minus 6 mm. Always remember, when we shift from decimal from left to right, left माथी right માં જવું હોય તો negative, right માથી left માં જવું હોય તો positive. So again point છે 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit પછી point. So 1.275 into 10 the power 5, because I am shifted 5 point. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we at here, if decimal point is not described, means it is the last. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 6.95 10 the power 5. So that way we have to now understand, and that is your next topic. So we go for this. You will see that there are few numbers. How we can describe this in standard form? So here, whatever I am explaining, જે મેં તમને explain કર્યું હતું ને, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So after 11, so 1.5 10 the power 11. But point is in the last and go to the left. Left तरफ जाओ तो positive. Now here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 7.0 10 the power minus 6, because we shift decimal from left to right. Always remember, અહીંથી આમ જાય તો positive power. Point અહીંયા છે. Now point is shifting from આવી રીતે, then positive. Point is from here, then power is negative. જો આમાં negative છે અહીંયા, C negative. How it should be negative, that is also important, we have to understand. So if you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 upon 6, 0 we have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 the power 6. But we know in for standard definition, when power is in If I want to shift upward, then minus m. 1 upon m is equal to a to the power minus m. So 7 multiplied 10 to the power minus 6. So we have clear. Now we have to try this. Write the following number in standard form. So again I have to write first how many zeros are there. 1, 2. How many point decimal I have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 5.64 10 the power 7, but negative. Why? Because I am from left to right. Left to right માં shift કરો તો always negative power. Left to right or right to left, so અહીંયા positive power here, because right to arrow left. Here right side, here it is left. So right to left positive. Again right to left positive. Here arrow left to right, that is here left and here it is right. So here negative. Again negative. So you will imagine that. Now again I am give the answer of all. So that is first. So first answer is 5.64 10 the power. So now point is at here. So what? How many point I am shifting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I have to write minus 7. Now second, I want to shift point at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2.1 10 the power minus 6. Now here point is at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2.16 10 the power positive. So we have now complete easily exercise 12.2, because only two exercises are there. One is 12.1 and another is 12.2. So now we also comparing very large and small quantities. So we know that again blood, red blood cell, if you will see your blood report, on that time that type of descriptions are there. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 7 multiplied 10 the power minus 6. Size of plant cell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 the power minus 5. Now if you want to compare it, so by comparing that we can it is called approximately ratio. So it is double. So red cell is half of plant cell or plant cell is double of. So it is a comparison between mass of earth. We can also compare of mass of moon. So it is a one type of GK based question. Always that it should be, you have to remember total mass. Always remember mass of earth and mass of moon. So mass of earth plus mass of moon. If we total, it is 604.35 into 10 the power 22. See, these are all the GK based questions. Now important, we have to start. These are all the standard form. Already we have completed. So I am explaining again example. It is easy now. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 3.5 10 the power minus 5. Again point is at here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 4.0 10 the power 6. Now one more topic, that we have to convert the in usual form. How it should be, that is important for us. Again, how it is. Now here we know there's 8 question example. Now 9th question, example number 9. If question is in form of 3.52 into 10 the power 5, how I will get usual form? So point pachi how many digits are there? 2. So 352 upon 100 I have to write. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 2 zeros we can easily cut. So how many zeros remaining? That is 3, 5, 2 and 1, 2 and 3 0. So 1, 2 and 3 0. So here they are describing 3.52 into 10 the power 5. So answer is 352,000. How we can get it? Again I am explaining. First of all we see that how many points are there after point, how many decimals are there, point pachi 2 digits. So I have to write 100. 100 cut, so 1000 वही Same thing 7.5. So 754 upon 100 multiply by here again negative power. So I have to write 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 754 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So from 6 digit I have to point. So 4, 5, 7. Now to make 6 digit I have to put 3 zeros. And then I have to point, make it. So second and third is important. You have to understand properly. Then we can easily complete exercise 12.2. So 12.2 there are only 4 sums that we can discuss in next lecture. Today it is sufficient for us. So in next lecture we go for exercise 12.2 and we have completed this lesson with some more practice sum.